Hello guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So finally the 2020 Mega Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is here and the wait is over. For fans of the stylus, there is no substitute. Samsung's Note lineup offers a freehand note-taking, doodling and annotating experience second to none. The 2020 generation brings improvement on all fronts, from software to hardware, to make the S Pen even better. The rest of the phone go major upgrade too, of course, but they came at a cost. First of all, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As the name implies, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is built on the S20 Ultra platform. It has the same screen, 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 1440p plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. You still need to set the rendering resolution to 1080p plus to get the 120Hz modes. However, the S Pen and the supporting VCOM layer on the screen have been updated to achieve 9 ms latency. Samsung says that at this point the experience is very much like writing on a paper. Notes you take can be converted to Microsoft Office formats and sync it with your other devices via Samsung's Notes. The S Pen can also be used for a navigation with a 5 new anywhere action by drawing shapes in the air, that is without being anywhere close to the screen. You could go back, open recent apps, go home and more. Another change is that this is the first mobile display to be protected by the Gorilla Glass vectors. It's better at resisting scratches and can survive drops from 2 meters 6.5 feet on a hard surface. There is a ultrasonic fingerprint reader embedded in the display along with a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera, still featuring a large 108 megapixel main sensor, it produces 12 megapixel photo with a binding recordings 8K video at 24 fps with a cinematic 21 by 9 aspect ratio. This ratio is also available for 1080p at 120 fps video. There is an optical stabilization but no dual pixel autofocus. However, the face detection autofocus is now augmented with a laser autofocus. The 3D TF sensor has been added. The Note 20 Ultra still boosts a periscope lens with a 5x optical magnification as opposite to 4x. There is a now 12 megapixel sensor sitting behind it, replacing the 48 megapixel sensor of the S20 Ultra. The bet here is that with a longer zoom and brighter f3.0 aperture will make up for the smaller 1.0 UM pixel. The 48 megapixel sensor had 1.6 UM pixel in its binary 12 megapixel mode and was behind in f3.5 aperture. Space zoom is limited to 50x, but that's not a huge issue as those magnification ratio are not very practical, especially not 100x. The 120-degree ultra-wide angle camera maintains its 12 megapixel sensor with a 1.0 UM pixel and f2.2 aperture. The chipset divides remain with a parallel upgrade. Much of the world will get the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, which is 10% more faster than the 865 found inside the S20 phones. However, European and Indian are stuck with the old Exynos 990 rather than an upgrade version of the chip. As Microsoft is concurrent games will run in or its xCloud service, the Note 20 Dual are the first phones with a special optimization backed into their software. There will be over 100 Xbox titles available in mid-September with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. The screen 240 Hz touch sampling rate matches dedicated gaming phones. The battery has been bumped to 4500 mAh, which is 200 mAh more than the last year launched Note 10 Plus, but 500 mAh less than the S20 Ultra. The phone is bundled with a 25-watt charger, which is the fastest supported. You can't use 45-watt charger like with the S20 Ultra. The Note 20 Ultra also supports 15-watt fast wireless charging and 9-watt reverse wireless charging. Better sits down for this part. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra start from a 1,266 euro, and for the model with a 256 gigabytes of storage, there is a 512 gigabytes of option as well. That's more than the Note 10 Plus cost, launch 1100 euro, but less than the S20 Ultra from earlier this year. €1345 for 12 128GB storage. A micro SD slot is available for after-market memory expansion. A hybrid slot on dual SIM model. The phone will be available in three colors at launch: Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. Shipment will start in selected market on August 21. There will be both 4G and 5G with Wave model available, but availability will differ by market. Now talking about the simple, the Galaxy Note 20. This is a non plus and non ultra version. The Notes first split into two last year, and the gap has grown significantly this generation for apps. This is why Samsung went with Ultra for the premium offering rather than sticking with a Plus. The Galaxy Note 20 come with a large screen than its predecessor, 6.7-inch up from 6.3-inch, making it only slightly smaller than the Ultra. However, it's a flat panel rather than curved one. This is the 1080p plus panel with the old Gorilla Glass 5. Even the Note 10 used Gorilla Glass 6. Those are not the only downgrades compared to the Ultra either. The one that hurts the most is the refresh rate, a standard 60 Hz. This is also bad news for the S Pen as it misses out in the low latency upgrade. The battery is also significantly bigger than before, 4300 mAh. It trials the Ultra model only by little, and it has a less power hungry screen to feed. The non-Pro Note 10 had a 3500 mAh battery. Anyway, the new battery will charge from 0 to 50% in half an hour using the including 25-watt charging. The rear camera is lifted from the S20 and S20 Plus. The main 12 megapixel sensor has large 1.8 UM pixel, which feature dual pixel autofocus and OIS. A 64 megapixel sensor 1.0 UM is used both as a telephoto camera, 3x lossless zoom, 30x space zooms, and as an 8K video cam. Finally, there is the familiar 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The chipset situation is the same: the original Exynos 990 in Europe and India, the upgraded Snapdragon 865 Plus elsewhere. However, RAM capacity is 8GB and the only storage option is 256GB built in and no micro SD slot. The 5G model will also available with 128GB of storage. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 4G will start a €950, same as the non-Pro Note 10 last year. The 5G model will start from €1,023. The non-Pro model come in three color, the same Mystic Bronze, but in interesting Mystic Green as well. Also, black gave away the slightly lighter Mystic Gray. So this is the Note 20 both smartphone, the Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 simple smartphone. Let me know in the comment section which phone you most like and which one you want to buy. Of course, the Note 20 Ultra is have a more feature and more upgrade option. So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.